So there's a game called Team Master. Oh, that's the one. You'll get the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Team Master, and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game, and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So that's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game, or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you earn money. So you get the details right here. So do check my description, check out the link. Alright YouTube, so here you can see two Bluetooth speakers. This one is kind of a little bit bigger and this one is small one, and it looks like the Bose one. So this is from Boombass, and this is my all-time favorite camping speakers. This thing has a huge battery backup, I cannot explain, and also solar charger at the back, and at the top the mobile holder. This thing is quite big in size, like almost 3-inch or 2.75-inch of driver, and this thing is like 1.5-inch or something like that, two stereo drivers, and at the back the passive radiators. So today I'm going to do the sound test between these two, and this thing of course has a little bit of more bass kind of thing because it's bigger, but we're going to check the sound quality and clarity, which one is better. So let's start with this one.
Artificial love, we just make it up, cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love, we just make it up, cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, cause reality will never be good enough. Yeah. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. And I'm stuck in this loop again. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I can't prove. Would you be my fortnight? Would you be my fortnight? You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I can't prove. you be my fortnight? Woohoo, woohoo. Would you be my fortnight? Woohoo. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. You tell me when you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me. I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. You tell me when you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me. I thought that you knew.